Hey there, I'm glad you made it this far and seeking further information about a service that interests you. In this video, I'll be talking a little bit more in depth about mortgage insurance. A lot of people ask me, why not just get mortgage insurance with a bank? Or why is it really necessary to get mortgage insurance? I always go back to the same example that I give people, where a friend of mine recently bought a house with his girlfriend, and they got mortgage insurance with the bank. Now, mortgage insurance, in the event where you unfortunately pass away or become disabled and cannot work, bring in the money to pay off your mortgage payments every month, mortgage insurance will kick in. Now, mortgage insurance with the bank is usually what the bank will offer you, because obviously you're getting a loan, you have your mortgage with the bank. Your mortgage insurance will only kick in after your death. Let's take death, for example. A bank will use something called post-claim underwriting. What that means is that they will not ask you any medical questions. They will not put you through a medical exam. They won't put you through real underwriting that an insurance company will usually put their clients through. By underwriting, I mean medical checks, a full-blown questionnaire, very extensive, really going through every single detail with the client to make sure that we will insure you as long as you're paying the premium. A bank will only ask you 3 to 5 questions. Usually you always get the mortgage insurance. With post-claim underwriting, feel free to Google that for more information, but I'll explain it right now. They will put you through medical tests after your death. So they're going to check for your family's history of health problems such as diabetes, heart problems, anything. They will look for a reason not to pay off the coverage that you were paying for. So for example, if you're paying $30 to $50 a month, usually very low prices, for a certain amount of coverage, for example, $500K, $250,000, doesn't really matter. They often, usually about 80% of the time, they will only pay back the amount of money that you've put into the policy as a premium. So if, for example, you've been paying $50 a month and you've only done this for a year and you were to pass away, they would only reimburse you $600 and not the amount of money that you're actually covered for. That's post-claim underwriting, and this is a real thing. And what's sad is the fact that banks will not even tell their own employees that sell the mortgage insurance what post-claim underwriting is. Now, as an independent advisor, I urge my clients to get proper coverage with a broker, even if it's not me. Any broker that's going to offer real coverage. Now, mortgage insurance is usually a life insurance policy based on your life. Now, if you were to pass away, the life insurance policy, mortgage insurance policy, will kick in, pay your beneficiary a lump sum payment, and allow you to pay off the mortgage with that amount of money. Now, put yourself in the shoes of a person where you pass away and now your wife or your husband is stuck with the entire mortgage to himself or herself, and they don't have enough money to not only pay off expenses but pay off the mortgage, and they're stuck with a financial struggle for many years. See, a mortgage insurance will prevent that. It's just a way of planning ahead, and it's a great idea. And that money can be used to pay off the mortgage, or it can be used for something else. If you manage to pay off the mortgage insurance before you pass away, to pay off the mortgage before you pass away, then you can use that lump sum payment that you received after the death for something else. You can pay off the kid's education or whatever. The lump sum is for you to use. Now, for more information, for any questions, scroll down. You have my personal number. You can reach me at any time you want, or fill out a submission form and I'll get back to you shortly. Now remember, nothing is more important than you and your family's financial future. Leave the complex shopping to me. Thank you.